Good morning, students. Now come to our next topic. In this part, we shall discuss about the diverse geographical features of the subcontinent and the special characteristics. We can also try to know about the formation of Himalayas. Our first topic is the north and northeastern mountain ranges. The birth of the Himalayas. Himalayan mountains were formed around 5.5 crore years ago. The Himalayas are said to the world's newest mountain range. Geologically, the origin of the Himalayas is the impact of Indian tectonic plate. This travels northward at 15 centimeter per year and joined the Eurasian continent about 40 to 50 million years ago. The formation of the Himalayas resulted in the lighter rock of the seabeds of that time being lifted up into mountains, an often cited fact used to illustrate this process is that the summit of Mount Everest is made of marine. हिमालय पर्वत कैसे बना? हिमालय पर्वत की लंबाई 2400 किलोमीटर तथा चौड़ाई 200 किलोमीटर है। आज से 70 मिलियन साल पहले यहाँ पर एक विशाल महासागर थेथिस सागर था और ठीक उस समय धरती की सतह की भारतीय प्लेट हर साल 15 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से उत्तर दिशा में यूरेशियन प्लेट की तरफ बढ़ रही थी। इसका नतीजा यह था कि अगले 20 मिलियन सालों में इस प्लेट का उत्तरी यूरेशियन प्लेट से जा टकराना और थैथिस सागर का यहाँ से पूरी तरह से विलुप्त हो जाना और दोनों प्लेट के टकराने से जन्म हुआ हिमालय पर्वत माला का थैथिस सागर को विलुप्त हो गया। लेकिन माउंट एवरेस्ट की चोटी इस सागर के चूने के पत्थर से बना हुआ है। The Himalayas consist of several parallel mountain ranges. The major one are the Trans Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik Hills. The Zanskar, Ladakh, and Karakoram ranges are the part of the Trans Himalayas. The Himadri range reaches its greatest height inside Nepal. Its peak include Daulatagiri, Choyu, Mount Everest, Makalu, and Kanchenjunga. The Mount Everest rises to a height of 8,848 meters. The Middle Himalayas or Himachal mountains extending across North Pakistan, North India, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, and Arunachal Pradesh. Many major rivers originate from Himalayas. The largest among them are the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus. These rivers are the lifeline of the densely populated plain of the north. Now let us discuss our next topic is glaciers, river of ice. Glaciers are made up of a fallen slope that over many years compress into large thickened ice masses. Glacier form when snow remains in one location long enough to transform into ice. Due to its sheer mass, glacier flow like very slow rivers. Many glaciers are there in Himalayas, the biggest of which is Gangotri. It is 32 km long. The Kumbhu glacier is located in the Everest region of Nepal, but due to human activities and rising atmospheric temperatures, Himalayan glaciers have started to melt at a faster rate. Now we discuss regarding Kashmir Valley. The Kashmir Valley is situated at the height of 1850 meter above the sea level and it is surrounded by mountains. It is also called the Jhelum Valley. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is situated near Dal Lake, which is very famous in Kashmir. The Dal Lake is dotted with floating houses on boats that are called houseboats or sikhars. They a key tourist attraction and a major source of income for a local people. Apart from agriculture, the valley has many local industries such as carpet weaving, walnut wood, furniture, Kashmiri pashmina shawls, saffron, etc. Kareva are the plateaus like terraces or table land which are very fertile. The priceless spice saffron, kesar, is grown here. Kashmiri saffron is very famous over the world. My dear children, now we discuss about Ladakh, a village in the cold, high altitude desert. Ladakh lies to the east of Jammu and Kashmir. It is the cold and dry desert. It is not like hot desert like Thar. Very little rain falls in this region. Let us explore the village of Ladakh. It has 80 houses which are made up of stones, gravels, and bricks. They are known as Khangpas. People live in cluster, Jhund mein, because of the harsh climate. They wear warm woolen clothes throughout the year, which is called Goncha. Ladakh is situated in the bank of river Panjila. The Panjila river freezes during winter, so people walk on it. It forms the path that reduces the distance to the neighboring villages. Due to rocky and uneven terrain, people do very small farming, even though they grow pieces, cabbage, cauliflower, potatoes, wheat, and millets. Mostly they grow for household consumption, not to sell in market. This type of farming is known as subsistence farming. Here farming is done in the month of May to October because of the harsh geographical condition. People use to rear animal like yak, demo, that is female yak, jomo, that is hybrids of cow and yaks, horses, donkeys, sheep, and goats. They used this animal for the flog the fields. It provides milk which they used for making cheese and butter. People live in a harmony with nature. Now we will discuss about Uttarakhand, a mountain villages. The village of Barsu lies at a height of 2500 meter on the way to Gangotri in Uttar Kasi district of Uttarakhand. It has only 20 to 25 houses. There is very little flat land, so the houses are built on the mountain slopes. Their roof are inclined so that the rainwater and the snow cannot connect on the roof. Some houses are flat roof also, on which people dry umbrage in winter and store fodder for their livestock. Here farming is done in the wide valley or gentler mountain slopes. People in the Himalayas cultivate rice, maize, vegetables, fruits in their terraced field. You may have heard of the Pahadi aloo, potato, and capsicum, Simla mirch. Similarly, apple pulps, apricots, pears are the fruits grown on the mountain slopes. These are grown on an extensive scale and sent to markets far and wide. Even we also receive these products. People also work as laborers and collect herbs in the forest for their livelihood. In the absence of employment, the young people move to the cities to work in factories. Women also do work in the field. Thank you, children. We will continue our next class in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.